Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So, in front of us, we do not have a car, unusually for this channel, but instead, we have a fridge. And it's got an issue. If we walk up to it, it's a Hisense by the way, but if we walk up to it and we open it, we can see or we can't see because it's dark, because there's no fucking light on it. If we open the freezer, however, we do have a light, and this should do the same. But it's not doing because it's broken. So that's what this video is. I'm going to rectify that. Well, that's what I'm going to try and do. And first of all, let's confirm what the fault is. On these fridges, if you leave the door open for too long, you get an alarm on down there to tell you that you've left the fridge open and it beeps at you. It does do that. So it's not the door switch, it does know the door's open. And it started by the light flickering, but now it's just not working at all. So, yes, I have in fact splashed out on Amazon about £3, and we have got 4 new LED units. So hopefully that's going to sort it out. And that should be all it is. I need to pull this off here, which I might need something sharper than my fingernail to do it with. And luckily we are in fact in a kitchen, so we have all the correct tools at our disposal. Yes. And that was in fact more difficult to remove than I anticipated, but now we can see the LED unit, and I'm hoping it's just that's fucked up. And we need to remove it, which means that we've got 2 little clips here, which we should just be able to pull to one side, and then gingerly just pull down. Yes, nice and carefully and gently like that. And then we should just be able to unplug that. But before we do, we can in fact see, I don't know if it's showing up, but them lights are trying to light up, which tells me that they're on the right lines, and it is the LED unit that's failed. So anyway, to unplug it, we just pull it nice and gently, and then that's that removed. And then we can in fact put it next to one of the new ones to see if it looks like it should fit. And it looks like it should fit. So these ones, for some reason, are all sort of joined together. I need to snap that end off there. And now we have a new one, which, all being well, yes, when I plug it in, it should light up, as it has done. So it has actually fixed the fault. Now I need to put this back looped up there, so it's out the way, and then clip this in place in the same way where the old one was located, and then that is that installed. Not forgetting to put that back on, that just pushes into place. Yes. And now, when you're coming down for a snack in the middle of the night, you can see which cake that you actually want. And that is all there is to it, nice and simple. And just in case anyone was wondering what the constant running water in the background was, it's not a leak, it's my fish tank. Anyway, something a bit different than what I normally do. I normally do car videos, but no one seems to be watching them recently, so I thought I'd try something different. I thought I'd do OnlyFans, but then I realised I don't have a big muscly penis, so that won't work, so I'll give this a go. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual shit, and I'll see you next time.